Hello students and a warmer welcome in this 8th lecture of the thermodynamics. So today we'll be discussing the next part from this chapter, and before we learn the next part of the chapter it is necessary to learn some basic and the previous concept from the lecture number 7 for your better understanding. So revision is the must, so we will discuss some revision part, discuss some previous part for your sake of your better understanding, students. So students, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the positive work with the varying pressure. So in the case of positive work with the varying pressure, you can see the PV diagram as indicated on your screen. So students, as the PV diagram of positive work with the varying pressure you can see on your screen, as the pressure is indicated on the y-axis while the volume is indicated on the x-axis. Hence, you can see at point 1 the pressure is increased and the volume V1 is constant, and this process of state change will move towards the point 1 to 2, and at the point of V2, at the point 2 the volume has you can see the constant while the pressure 2 has been increased. So this is the process from 1 to 2 of state change. But students, as you can say, at point 1 the pressure has increased and the volume is constant, means there is volume is constant, means students there will not be any increase or decrease in the motion of the piston. But at point 2 the volume has been changed with the constant pressure P2. So we can say, as the process is from 1 to 2 and the volume is goes on increasing at point 2 from the point 1, thus we can say that the pressure has been constant at point 2 and the volume has been increased. Thus there will be the outward motion of the piston will be there, and the motion will be attained by the piston by the molecules inside the cylinder of that gases will be pushing the piston in the outward direction. Thus there will be the change in volume. The students, you can see here that this PV diagram indicates the expansion of the gases. As the expansion will be there, thus the piston will be moving towards the outward, means this is the expansion of gas, and the volume changes due to the outward motion of the piston, pressure decreases. The students, you can say that volume of the gas is increased, thus the work done by the gas on the piston is there, thus the work done will be the positive one. Hence we can say the work done can be converted into the area which has been expanded due to the force exerted by the gases on that piston. Thus we can say the work done is equal to integration of PdV, which is greater than the 0, and the in between the limit of Vi to V1 to V2, means the initial volume up to the final value which is greater than the 0. So in short, this is the process of positive work with the varying pressure. Thus the work done will be the positive. We have concluded in this process by observing the PV diagram they have given here. Now students, we will be seeing the second part, that is B, that is negative work with the varying P. So as you can see in this PV diagram, that this diagram is exactly opposite than that of the positive work with the varying pressure. In that positive work, the diagram was from 1 to 2, from the pressure to the volume, and this diagram is exactly opposite from 1 to 2, volume to the pressure. You can see the difference between two diagrams. Thus we can conclude that during the process 1 to 2, at the point 1 the volume is constant while the pressure P1 has increased. So this is the first state of the system in which you can say the volume is constant, means there will not be any work done. So but the pressure is the constant, but as the state will be changing from the 1 to 2, there will be the change in state, change in pressure will be occur. You can say here that after that the volume is changing continuously as it is moving from the 1 to 2. Volume has changed from V1 to V2, and after V2 the volume has become constant and the pressure has been increased up to the P2. So this is the process. As you will go from V1 to V2, the volume will be goes on constant, volume will become constant and the pressure will be increasing. So thus we can conclude that the compression will be there of the gases which is enclosed inside the cylinder, due to the inward movement of the piston and the pressure of gas is increased, the work done will be the negative. Means the pressure has increased, so the work done will be the negative here obviously. Thus we can say the work done during this process will be integration of P dV, which is greater than the 0, means, and the limit of integration is from the V1 to V2, means during the change of V1 to V2 the P dV work done will be done, which will be the greater than the 0. Thus this is the difference between the positive work with the varying pressure and negative work with the varying pressure. If you study comparatively, then you will get it very easily, as the both the diagrams are little bit of similar, but the values of 1 and 2 are just changed, and the values which of the work done which we will obtain at the end of the conclusion will be greater than 0. So these two things you have to keep in mind, then you will get you will be able to differentiate very easily different these two cases, and you will be solving the question in the exam very easily. So we will now move toward the next part of the chapter. After that students, the next part we have seen is the positive work at the constant pressure. As you can say the graph of PV, that the at point 1 the pressure is increased and the volume V1 is constant, and as the state will changes from 1 to 2, at the point 2 the volume will be constant and the pressure will be increasing drastically. Thus we can say as the process will go from the 1 to 2, the volume will be constant, the volume will be remaining the constant as we will move from the 1 to 2, but the pressure will be goes on increasing. Thus we can say that when the volume changes V1 to V2 at the constant pressure, the curve is not in curvy shape but it is in parallel to the volume axis, means parallel to the x-axis. So again we can say that the work done during the volume change at the constant pressure will be work done will be the P into V, means V is nothing but Vf minus Vi, means the volume has been changed from the final to the initial. When the volume is a constant, the work done is always 0. The work done is always 0, as there will be no any displacement occur. Neither the piston will move in inward direction of the cylinder nor in the outward direction of the cylinder. So this will be the condition C, the positive work at the constant pressure. After that we have discussed about the thermodynamic pressure. It is the procedure by which initial state of the system changes into the final one. Then we can say it is the thermodynamic pressure. So these are the things that we have discussed in the previous lecture. Now we will move further to the next part of the lecture. Now students, we will see the next part of this chapter, that is work done during the thermodynamic process. So this is the typical thermodynamic process PV diagram you can see on your screen. As we know that the pressure is already indicated on the y-axis while the volume is indicated on the x-axis, and their pressure there are given is P1, P2, and the volume is also given V1 to V2, as it will indicate the pressure and the volume of final and initial state. Now you can say that the points and the path in which the process has been taken to change its state from the initial to final. So students, A is the point where the system possesses the initial state, and the B is the point where the system possesses the final state. While the system has to reach from the initial state to final state, then it has to possess many paths, as you can see in the diagram, but out of them I have given the 3 of the path here in the diagram. The first one is path 1 from the A to B, which is in the curve shape. So students, here we can see the relation between the path and the variables. The system is initial at state A with the pressure Pi and the volume Vi, so the coordinates will be the Vi, Pi, and at point B it shows the final state of the system Vf and Pf, the final volume and the final pressure. Those will be the coordinates of the point B. After that, the curve 1 shows the one of the way to change the system state A to state B. So during this change of state process, we will see the 3 of the path 1, 2, 3 one by one. But first of all we will see the path 1, how the point A will change its state from the initial to final, and what does the process it follows while the changing the state of the system. We will see the system path 1 first. So the first path we are going to see now, you can see the diagram 4.12b, that is pressure and volume both will be changes. So what does exactly happen in this process we will see now. As path A to B, both the pressure and the volume changes as path 1 changes from A to B. So you can see the graph, that is curve graph of A to B of PV graph. It follows the path 1. So during this path you can see as the point move from A to B, the volume goes on increasing and the pressure will goes on decreasing. You can see here in the PV graph. Thus we can say as the volume has been increased and pressure goes on decrease, thus we can say this is the outward movement of the piston followed by the point A to B followed by the path A for the change in state from the initial to final one. There will be nothing but the outward movement of the piston. So there will be work done will be the positive one. So during this change in state of the process, that it is following the path 1. So in this, the pressure will be applied on the piston by the gases which are enclosed into the cylinder. Thus the piston will be moving outward and thus the work done is by the system on the environment. Thus it is nothing but the positive work. We can say that in the case of pressure and volume both will be changed. Now students, we will see the second case, that is first volume changes at the constant pressure and then the pressure changes at the constant volume. We will see this case by the help of PV diagram which you can see on your screen. As your diagram there will be C. I have noted it as a C. You can observe the diagram. So in this diagram you can see in the second way of the change of state A to B, means this is the diagram which will follow the second path of change in state. In this path of the change of state, the first volume will be increases from the Vi to Vf, means the volume will be increased from the initial one to the final one at point A to C. You can see in the diagram. After that, then the pressure decreases with the Pf while the volume remain constant. Then what will happen? The pressure will be decreases and the volume will remains the constant. So this is the thing which we can observe in the diagram. So as you can see, when the process is followed by the path 2 from A to C, you can see that the pressure is at the constant level, means you can see the pressure Pi is at a constant level from A to C, while the volume only changes from Vi to Vf, means initial volume will be changed into the final one while the pressure will be remaining the constant. After that you can see in the PV diagram the path will be followed C to B. At this stage, when the point C is coming to the B, then the pressure will be decreasing. As you can see, pressure will be decreasing from the Pi to Pf, and thus you can say that the volume has remained constant, means point C to B the pressure will be decreasing and the volume will be constant, as you can see in the PV diagram. So this is the entire procedure of this type of state change or second type of path taking in the changing state of the system. Then the pressure decreases Pf while the volume remain constant. So these are the things that we have observed in the both of the diagram from the explanation perspective. So when there will be the question in the exam with respect to the work done during the thermodynamic process, and when this both system will ask, then first of all you have to draw the appropriate and the correct PV diagram. After that you have to trace the path correctly, means let it be path 1, path 2 or path 3. You have to trace the path, let it be curve or in the parallel to the x-axis, that respected path which follows the diagram in changing the state you have to draw. Then after that you have to explain the each and every point, that how the state changing process is taking place while moving from one point to another point. Then you have to give the explanation with the detailed manner. Then you will get the out of out marks students of this type of questions. So students, as far as exam perspective is concerned, this is the question of the work done during the thermodynamic process has been asked frequently. So you have to get ready for this question and you have to draw the diagram correctly and accurately, and the naming will be the proper. So students, you also have to follow the path while you are writing the answer of this type of questions, so you will get the maximum marks. So now students, the next part of this chapter we will see in the next video. Thank you so much.